Hello everyone, we are going to tell you about some of the top brands of elevator companies. Some people may know about these companies and some may not. Let us tell you the top 5 elevator companies.
Number 5.
Mitsubishi Electric Elevators and Escalators. Mitsubishi Denki Kabushiki Gaisha, also abbreviated as MELCO, established on the 15th of January 1921, is a Japanese multinational electronics and electrical equipment manufacturing company headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. MELCO held the record for the fastest elevator in the world, in the 70-story Yokohama Landmark Tower, from 1993 to 2005. It was founded 100 years ago on the 15th of January 1921. And Japanese have used the word for a long time to denote a rhombus or diamond shape. Japanese often bend the H sound to a B sound when it occurs in the middle of a word. So they pronounce the combination of Mitsu and Hishi as Mitsubishi. And the employees were about 138,700 as of 2018. Mitsubishi slogans. Changes for the better. Its old logo is like this. And new like this.
Number 4.
ThyssenKrupp or TK Elevator. ThyssenKrupp is the result of a merger of two German steel companies, Thyssen AG founded in 1891 under the name Gewerkschaft Deutscher Kaiser and Krupp founded in 1811. In 1999, Thyssen, one of the companies of the merger to form ThyssenKrupp Elevator, acquired the elevator division of American-based conglomerate Dover Corporation. The employee is 103,598 as of 2020. It was established 22 years ago on the 17th of January 1999. In February 2020, ThyssenKrupp AG's board announced that it would sell its elevator segment to Advent International, Sinway, and Rag Foundation for $18.9 billion. The transaction closed in July 2020. The standalone company is named TK Elevator. Its old logo. Now a new logo like this.
Number 3.
Schindler Elevator. Schindler, the company was founded in Switzerland in 1874 by Robert Schindler and Edward Williger, who established the collective joint partnership Schindler and Williger. Schindler was founded 147 years ago in 1874. Schindler had 58,271 employees as of December 2018. Old logo. New logo.
Number 2.
Otis Elevator. In 1852, Alicia Otis invented the safety elevator, which automatically comes to a halt if the hoisting rope breaks. After a demonstration at the 1853 New York World's Fair, the elevator industry established credibility. The Otis Elevator Company was founded in Yonkers, New York in 1853 by Alicia Otis. It was established on the 20th of September 1853, 267 years ago. Otis had 69,000 employees as of December 2020. Mr. Judy Marks, President and CEO of Otis. Old logo. Now a new logo like this. And now number 1. KONE.
In the Finnish language, KONE means machine or device.
KONE was founded in 1910 as a subsidiary of GOT-FR. Founded in 1910 and headquartered in Espoo near Helsinki, Finland, is an international engineering and service company employing some 55,000 personnel across 60 countries worldwide. Since 1924, KONE has been controlled by one of Finland's wealthiest families, the Hurlin family. The current chairman of KONE's board of directors from 2003 onwards is Antti Hurlin, the son of Pekka Hurlin. In 2013, KONE has been awarded for several Good Design Awards for its design offering, functional elevator signalization series and sleek new elevator car design. This is the third time KONE has received this acknowledgement for its design excellence. KONE old logo. KONE new logo. Wait, there is another company, Sukoji Elevator, which is working on all these brands in India and also getting good customer comments. Without your cooperation, this would not have been possible. Thank you.
Sukoji. dedicated all elevator needs.